Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with NooNoo. And we are going to show you a game that I used to play when I was a kid. We play lots of games as a family. This one is called Hamburger Game. Let's open up the box. We need to build our hamburger with all of the different ingredients using some tiles. NooNoo, are you going to help us today? The first tile we need is the tomato. Next, we need the cheese. Good job, NooNoo. And now, mustard. Mustard is yellow. What's next? It looks hot and it's on a grill with some flames. It's the hamburger patty. What's in the bottle squirting out? It's the ketchup. Next is the lettuce. What color is lettuce, NooNoo? It's green. Next is pickles. Dear, the onion is crying. That's because when we cut onions, it releases a gas that makes us cry. My kids do not like cutting onions. At least he's got a tissue to dry up his tears. Last but not least, the bun. NooNoo pushed it way over here. NooNoo, you did it! You completed your hamburger. Thanks for playing with us today. Goodbye.